Hey there. It's a great day this morning. It is overcast and getting a little bit of rain on me, but that's not an issue. I'm out late enough that the fountain's on. The book is finished. There are other things that I've got planned, getting it out today, and then we'll continue to add some promotions and talking about that. More importantly, I've still working on myself and doing the things that I need to do for me, and things are coming along. I hope you are having a good morning, and you'll have a great week. Talk to you soon.